Theokhronos Part 3. The physical limitation of time and its single-dimensional brevity has another very interesting feature connected with it. It is the concept that distance is an illusion. This deception exists in our thinking solely due to the existence of time. Were our universe to be reduced to its lowest form of possible existence, C equals H, there could exist no such concept as that of time. Our universe at that instant would, physically, exist as a single dimension only. Though this may seem strange to a person's thinking at first, it is yet true. There's an interesting thought contained in the book of Isaiah relating to the formation and destruction of our universe, which concept makes sense when compared with this feature of physical time. It has to do with Theokhronos, God of time, changing the universe. Isaiah 34:4, quote, "And all the host of heaven shall be dissolved, and the heavens shall be rolled together as a scroll, and all their hosts shall fall down, as a leaf falls off the vine, and as a falling fig from the fig tree," end quote. We have been born into a thought system we cannot escape from when we consider the function of time to that of distance. This does not mean our reality is not an actuality, but it does mean our concept of what reality is does not match up with that of time. The amazing part of the foregoing concept is that of the instant creation of our universe. It is impossible for mass to have been formed of its lowest value first, and then formed into greater and greater energy density, until it finally formed into mass. The reason is, the lowest value of energy known is a graviton. This value passes through all mass as though the mass is non-existent. There is no manner for this form of energy, C equals H, to have been formed into electromagnetic energy incrementally, the next step upward toward becoming mass. This more dense form of energy, electromagnetic, is itself forever expanding outward, making it also incapable of being formed into the density of mass. If the basis of all energy cannot be trapped into forming dense mass, then the only manner by which mass can exist is through that of creation. Only the God of time, Theokhronos, has authority to create everything, that all having the same existence value, C equals H. This represents the progression of mass from energy. We have a cube of mass at the bottom, which was formed of electromagnetic energy, having overlapped its own frequency and becoming a dimension, three-dimensional, which is the electron. And then above that, we have the electromagnetic energy. It is a wave. It is a wave of energy moving at the speed of light, having different frequencies according to the source that it comes from. And then lastly, we have the graviton itself. It is the value of C equals H.